There is one simple method to assess the age of sheep. Newly born lamb develops milk teeth after 1 week. At definite age, permanent teeth replace these milk teeth. By counting these teeth, we can guess the age of the animal. These are the milk teeth, which indicate that the age is less than 1 year. This sheep has developed 2 permanent teeth. 2 teeth are seen by 12 to 14 months. At 20 months stage, sheep will have 4 permanent teeth. This sheep is in 4 teeth stage. By 24 months, it will have 6 permanent teeth. This sheep is in 6 teeth stage. By age of 3 years or 36 months, sheep develops last pair of permanent teeth. Look, this sheep has 8 teeth. That means the growth is complete. After 7 years, teeth starts showing depreciation. This method of assessing age of the animals is an age-old practice and is reliable too. Developed countries have separate sheep breed for meat and wool purposes. But it is not so in India. Our farmers are not bothered about the quality of meat. They sell their sheep whenever they need money. Mutton from the aged sheep is fibrous and hard. It tastes less and hence fetches less price. Sheep at 2 teeth stage gives the best mutton. Systematic categorization of mutton is not a practice in our country. Maximum profit is by selling the sheep by 12 to 14 months. Later on, the speed of growth or the feed conversion ratio comes down. Most of the sheep are sold in traditional sheep market, or the merchants purchase the sheep from the farmer and sell it to the mutton stalls. Breed, age, dressed meat percentage, consumer's choice, etc. decide the price. Systematic markets are not yet developed in India. Hardly few slaughterhouses exist for sheep. Import of mutton into India is negligible. Mutton is preferred in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh states, and hence the demand and the price are more. In all other states, goat meat gets first preference. Dressed mutton percentage is 40 to 50 in India. Stall-fed Rambouillet sheep before breeding can yield up to 60 to 65% dressed meat. The reason is less loss of energy and less size of intestine. Aged sheep, ram used for breeding for years, and lambing ewe yield less percentage of mutton, even though the body is large. Mutton is in great demand. Well grown up rams get best prices, especially during Islamic festivals. Live sheep fetches half the price that of mutton. That means if the mutton price is rupees 250 per kilogram, live sheep gets rupees 125 per kilogram. Stall-fed Rambouillet sheep gains 40 to 50 kilogram body weight by 10 to 12 months. It sells at least for 6 to 7,000 rupees. Cost of production of 1 kilogram of silage is 1 rupee. Each sheep needs 2 kilograms of silage per day. Hence the fodder cost is rupees 2 per day. If 50 grams of concentrate is fed, it costs 50 paisa per day. Wages, electricity, medicine, feed additives, etc. together will cost 1.5 rupee per day per sheep. In total, the cost of rearing of stall-fed sheep is rupees 4 per day per sheep. That is, rupees 1,500 per sheep per year. Stall-fed sheep of 1 year fetches at least 5 to 6,000 rupees. Thus, the systematic stall feeding of sheep generates an attractive income. 8 to 10 people can handle 1,000 sheep under stall-fed system with silage. Labor requirement is less compared to dairy farm.